Hi guys! So here goes nothing. I'm going to show you how to achieve this soft glam glitter cut crease. Bear with me guys, this is my first makeup tutorial. So I already cleaned off this eye and I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. You're going to concealer that eye guys. Revlon Photo Ready Concealer, shade medium, all over your eyelid up to your brow bone. So I'm also adding whatever concealer is left on my brush to my inner corner and my under eye. Sorry for the lighting guys, getting a new camera soon. Taking my damp sponge and I'm going to blend that concealer in. Then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent powder and I'm going to pack that onto my lid. Doing this not only sets your concealer, but it also helps with blending later on. So I'm going in with my current favorite Jackie Aina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Taking the color Ginger right here, and I'm gonna blend that into my crease. Okay guys, time to cut the crease. I'm gonna go back in with my Revlon concealer. Let me know if you guys want a close-up video on how I cut my crease. Now I'm getting out my Kylie Take Me on Vacation palette, and I'm going to be going into her lavender shade. It's right here. You're going to take it and you're going to pack that onto your concealer. I'm also going to be taking the lavender shade and smoking out my bottom under eye. taking my e.l.f. glitter liner and I'm going to go over my cut and wing it out. So guys, for my glitter cut, I'm using my e.l.f. liner and some loose Sally's glitter and pack that over it. Once again guys, sorry about the lighting. I am getting a new camera soon, so that should fix that. Drum roll guys, klutzy moment number 1. Once I have my e.l.f. liner winged out how I want it, I'm going to go back and grab my loose glitter from Sally's and pack that right over it. It's okay if it gets a little messy here guys, because we're going to go back in with that lavender shade and we're going to clean that up. Time for eyeliner guys, we're going to just wing it out. I'm using the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner in Blackest Black. Just an FYI guys, if you want a tutorial on how I do my eyeliner, let me know. A lot more videos are coming. Watery eye moment once again. Just an FYI guys, if there's anything you want to see specifically or any products you want me to try, let me know as well. Okay guys, so I'm grabbing my Route 21 multi highlighter and I'm going to put that into my inner corner and across my brow bone. This is also what I use for my cheek highlighter as well. And klutzy moment number 2. So I'm going back in with my Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner and I'm going to wing out my inner corner. Then I'm taking my L'Oreal black eye pencil to my waterline. I'm taking the color Shookington from my Jackie Aina palette and I'm going to smoke that on my under eye with a small angled brush. Grabbing my Kiss Strip Lash Aloe adhesive and I'm going to apply it to my Kiss wispy eyelashes. Wait for the glue to get tacky and then apply to your lid. I use my tweezers. taking out my Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, and I'm going to apply that to my top and my bottom eyelashes. Let me know if you guys like me doing the voiceover or if you guys want me to talk in my videos. I'm gonna keep trying, guys. This is just the first one. Bear with me, okay? This is the finished look, guys. Just going back in with some touch-ups on my highlighter. Let me know what you think, what else you guys want to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!